Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for university. To begin, immerse yourself in academic English. This means focusing on vocabulary specific to university subjects and understanding formal writing structures. Actively listen to educational content like lectures to grasp complex ideas and improve your comprehension. Developing strong reading skills for challenging texts is also crucial for success. To enhance your reading and writing, make it a habit to read academic journals and textbooks. This exposure will familiarize you with complex sentence structures and specialized terminology. Try summarizing articles to boost both your comprehension and your ability to articulate ideas concisely. Regular essay writing practice, focusing on clear arguments, is also essential. For listening and speaking fluency, actively participate in group discussions and presentations. This builds confidence and helps you articulate thoughts effectively. Listen to university-level podcasts and TED talks to get accustomed to different accents and speaking paces. Recording yourself speaking can also provide valuable insights into areas needing improvement, like pronunciation or intonation. Finally, immerse yourself in English whenever possible. Join university clubs or study groups to practice speaking in a natural setting. Take advantage of online resources, such as academic writing centers, for additional support. Consistently seeking feedback from native speakers or tutors will provide targeted guidance, helping you refine your skills and build confidence for university success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.